new data set and new way of performing data analysis. First I'm going to Canva. This is a very good site to create a background image. It is free. All I have done here is go to upload and upload any image of your choice. Go to Google and download any image. Since I'm today making chocolate company data analysis, I took an image from Google about a chocolate and uploaded here in Canva. Canva site is free, as I said. And then when I have this chocolate, you can go to grid and make squares like this, and then in the Power BI you can put squares and do it. But today this is enough for me. Then you have to go to share, then you have to go to download, and here in Power BI background image, don't download PNG format, always JPG format only. Please remember, this is very important. Download a JPG format image from Canva and then go to your Power BI. From Power BI, you have to go to view and then click format. When you activate format, you have to go to page information. From page information, you have to go to canvas background. Here, you can add color canvas, you can browse the image and upload whatever you like. I'm going to browse the image. Browse. I guess what I did. Okay, transparency is not zero. Okay, this is the image. Sorry, students, I uploaded a wrong image. So now you have a background image of chocolate. I love chocolates. And I am making a data analysis of a chocolate company. So never forget to do this transparency to 0, otherwise you will not see any of the images here. So now let us go to get data. No, we have to go to home, get data. It's a Excel workbook. From Excel sheet, from my documents file, I'm going to load sales file, people, location, and today I'm not keeping well. I have common cold. So let me wait for the data to load in my Power BI. Then we will go to modeling tab and see whether the Power BI has detected relationship correct. Because if Power BI has detected a wrong relationship, all the time we will have problems and we will not even realize where the problem is. So let us first check whether we have the Power BI with its own intelligence have detected correct relationship. So let me see. Location. Okay, it has not detected. Okay, let us create a link, geo and geography. So we have created a link between location geography and sales geography, peoples and salesperson. let us see what it is. Salesperson and salesperson. Yeah, okay, this looks good. Salesperson and salesperson. And now let us see product and sales. Okay, everything looks good. Now let us go to the data view and see what kind of data we have. And first thing is to understand the data. So we are in data view. Location is geo and region. Let us see what we have in people. In people we have salespersons and team. In products, let us see product category and cost per box. And sales, we have salesperson, geography, product, date, amount, customer, and boxes. Okay, boxes and boxes. We have boxes here. How many boxes we have sold? In product, we have cost per box. So now we have to multiply cost per box from products table to sales boxes, this column. So how are we going to do this? So we are going to product, cost per box. We are going to click new column. Okay. New column, we are going to type a DAX formula. What is our DAX formula? DAX formula is data analysis expression. Cost is equal to BOXES boxes multiplied by related. Since these are in two different tables, we have to write that they are related to each other. And in the beginning we have product, cost per BOX box. So it is telling me column boxes cannot be found. Okay, you don't find the boxes. Why can't you find the boxes? Okay, let us see what is wrong. Why can't they see boxes in cost is equal to boxes multiplied by related product costs per box. So this is the DAX formula for this. Here we are multiplying boxes multiplied by cost per box to get the cost. So the new column that we created looks differently. This shows that this is a calculation. Total amount is equal to some function. We are going to take some function, sales amount. Where is sales amount? Oh, here is the sales amount. Close the bracket. So now we have a measure, that is total amount. Let us create one more measure, that is total cost. New measure. And here we are going to type total cost is equal to sum of sales cost. Total cost is equal to some function sales cost. Here is sales cost. We will close the bracket and we have created a total cost in our measure. So now we are going to create one more measure, that is total profit. Total profit is total amount minus total cost. Total profit is equal to total amount minus total cost. And we are going to close the bracket. There was no need of bracket at all. Sorry. Sometimes I put extra bracket unnecessarily. That is my habit. So now we have to create one more measure, that is total profit margin. And the function is divide and then total profit, total amount. Total profit margin is equal to divide function, divi, divide function, total profit, total amount. Total amount. I have the bad habit of making wrong brackets, putting wrong brackets at the wrong place. So now we have total profit margin. click percentage mark. So because total profit margin will be in percentage. Now we will go to report view. And then we are going to have this card. We are going to make it small. And we are going to drag and drop total amount. And no, it doesn't look good. So let it be properties. Let us see. Visual, padding, shadow. Let us, oh, it was on. Where did I? Title. So now we have this. Now we are going to add one more card. And we are going to drag it here. I think I will delete this. No. What I'm going to do is Control C, Control V, so that I get a same size. And here I'm going to delete total amount. I'm going to drag and drop total cost. Control C, Control V, drag and drop total profit. I'm going to drag and drop total profit. Okay, I should delete this first. Total profit. And now I'm going to again Control C, Control V, drag, and here I'm going to put profit margin. The profit margin is going to be in percentage. Let us see I have to distribute it in equal distance. So now I have cards. Now I'm going to click outside somewhere and go to visuals, start bar chart. I'm going to click. In start bar chart, I'm going to add so now I have let us see. So data labels, more options. And also I'm going to put total labels. So now we have top 10 only, because too many confusion it will be. So now we have top 10. Now we are going to click here and copy the format. We are going to click here and then click here and click here. Click here, go to format, click here. So now everything looks like popped up column chart. This is the visual that we are going to take. So here for x-axis we are going to add geo, and y-axis we are going to add total cost, and we are going to add total amount. So this is our cluster column chart. This is how it looks when you enlarge. We'll go back and then go to format. We will add data labels. No, it is not looking nice. Let me see. Okay, it looks nice. So we have added now let us have a donut chart. We'll click outside and go to our donut chart. This we are going to drag it here, make the size. Then we will go here. In legend, we will add teams from people. In values, we are going to add boxes from sales table. So this is how our donut chart looks. So now let us copy the format. Let us increase the size to match our. Now we will go to line chart. Here we are going to x-axis we are going to add, let me see where is date. Date, and we are going to delete everything other than month. We will have month. In y-axis we are going to add total profit. In legend, we are going to add category. Where is our category? Let me see. Where is our? Yes, in legend, we are going to add category. So let us enlarge our line chart and see. Okay, this looks good. Now we will drag and put it here. Okay. Now what next we are going to do? Now we are going to click outside, go to visuals and add a KPI. So we are going to add KPI in values. We are going to add total amount. In trend, we are going to add date. In target, we are going to add total cost. So let us look at it. So this is our KPI. Goal is 10318. Now we are going to click outside, go to visuals and add cluster column chart. Here we are going to click cluster column chart, and in x-axis we are going to click date, and we are going to delete everything except day. And in y-axis we are going to click amount. Where is amount? Okay, amount. In y-axis we are going to click amount. This I have continuous, and now go here. Now the trend line is there. Now it is off. I will put it on. When you put on, you will start to see trend line. So let me repeat how I did it. So here you have to go to x-axis and see that it is in continuous, not categorical. So when it is in continuous, then go to scroll down and you will find trend line which was off. You have to put it on. Then you will see. Now we are going to click outside and then click here, go to slicer. In slicer, we are going to add salesperson. Who is salesperson? Where is salesperson? Okay, salesperson. And now we are going to add one more slicer. Here we are going to right? Where is date? Where is date? So now we have a slicer. Whichever you want, you can pull it like this. Whichever date you want to see, you can see this. You can there is no space between this. No, that's not. So you have to reorganize and do it properly so that this looks nice. So this is how you create a dashboard for your business user. If you like